So your low back hurts, it's tight and stiff, and it follows you everywhere you go. And you're thinking to yourself, is this it? No way. Today we're going to cover 3 easy mobility exercises to unlock your lower back, improve mobility, and finally get you some relief that you've been looking for. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix, and we've helped thousands of people with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple exercises to unlock your lower back, improve your movement, and reduce your pain today. So why do you have lower back pain? First, take a deep breath. 90% of lower back pain is referred to as non-specific lower back pain, which means you can't trace it back to one singular cause, which is a good thing, by the way. It's a combination of our movement, our beliefs, our education, our stressors in life, emotional stress, work-related stress, many things of that nature, and then of course all the physical stresses we put on our body. But low back pain is a movement-based problem a vast majority of the time, and all it needs is a movement-based solution. So there is typically not one specific exercise that's going to completely change the world and change everything. It's normally a combination of movements done in the right order for your specific situation. So what we've done after helping thousands of people all over the world with hundreds of different types of lower back, disc, and sciatica issues is simply combined a few key movements that feel really good for a majority of individuals. Our first exercise is called the Cobra Scorpion. You're going to lay on your stomach, bend your knees, and prop up on your elbows. Now, while resting in this upright position, you're going to keep your knees and your feet together and let them rotate to the side each direction, keeping the knees together. What this will do is it will rotate your lumbar spine and your hips back and forth while you're in a gently extended position. So we're getting a few different things here. We're getting lumbar extension, which so many of you do not get throughout the day. Most of you are stuck in a seated position, driving to work, sitting while you work, sitting while you eat, sitting while you watch TV, and your back's getting so much flexion throughout the day. You're never getting the opposite. You're never giving your back the break that it needs in restoring that motion. So this is a stepping stone towards doing that. Then you're also not getting any rotation throughout the day. You're not exploring ranges of motion that we otherwise should be. So you're getting both extension and rotation with this movement. And just be sure to gently rotate further and further as you go into it if it starts off a little bit sensitive. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now for this next one, we're going to focus on the mid-back. Because we're in these seated positions, our mid-back can become extremely locked up. Now, if your mid-back is locked up, it will put more pressure on the lower back. Well, if we have low back pain and low back tightness, we don't want extra stress on the lower back. So let's unlock the mid-back. You're going to get on your knees, open the knees a little bit, hands out in front of you, and you're going to sit back and down while pushing your chest to the floor with your arms straight out in front of you. The goal is to feel like you're pushing your mid-back into as straight or of an extended position as possible, which is called thoracic extension. Many of you will feel pops and cracks as you do this repetitively, going in and out of the movement for at least 10 repetitions. This is helping your mid-back open up, those joints release, and mobilize with every rep so that once again, pressure is reduced off of the lower back. Now we can put more focused attention directly on your low back segments where you're feeling a lot of the pain. On your stomach, hands under your shoulders like you're going to do a push-up. Push your chest up off the ground as far as you can comfortably. As you can see, this is putting your lower back into lumbar extension, a movement you do not get enough of. And as you progress into this, keep your lower back and glutes totally relaxed, allowing yourself to push further and further over time. This might be painful at first. And if it is, it doesn't mean it's immediately the wrong movement, but you should just kiss the pain, slowly progressing. And if you notice it gets easier and easier as you go, and the pain gets less and less, it means you are reversing stress in your joints, you're reversing stress in your discs, you're helping those discs move away from maybe your sciatic nerve if that's something that you're dealing with, and it's unlocking that stiffness and that mobility that you've been missing for so long. So if you've tried other movements before and you've noticed that some feel good or some feel bad, don't lose hope. It's about finding the right ones for your situation. The key is finding the right movements in the right order with the right consistency, and your pain will reduce fast. Because although low back pain is the #1 disability in the world, it is absolutely recoverable. And no matter what other providers have told you, maybe you've been told to rest, to stop exercising, or just to learn to live with it, oh my gosh, you need to get away from those messages and find an actual plan that promotes your goals, puts you first, and gets you back in the driver's seat of your own health. And that's what our approach is for, and this will help many of you reduce your pain fast. But there's still one thing that you're missing, and this one thing could hold you back from finding complete relief as quickly as possible, because this has helped our clients on average reduce their pain by 37% in a single session, and others completely pain-free within as little as 15 days and getting back to full activity. And this one thing is our centralization process, which tells us exactly what is causing your pain and the exercises that you need to do for that specific situation. This way, you're not guessing and you get lasting results. So if you want to ensure you're doing the right thing and dive deeper with me, then just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509. And you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss the opportunity to finally fix your pain and live the life that you deserve. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and our clients and how they are achieving a pain-free life. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.